Channel Factory. Unlock YouTube advertising. What makes YouTube the best place for brands to advertise? There's the size of the audience, their attention span, the demographics watching. But more than anything else, it's what they're watching. All ads run against videos created by the YouTube community, which make it the most personalized experience online. That means to get your ads up in front of the right people at the right time, you have to learn from the creators themselves. Channel Factory's own UIQ verification software integrates with YouTube creators directly and extracts first-party data not available from Google Ads or other media platforms. This augmented audience intelligence helps eliminate over-inclusive targeting, weed out videos and channels with fake views and subscribers, and remove brand unsafe content with enhanced audio transcript processing. ViewIQ verification helps our elite team of experts increase ad performance, lower cost, and ensure brand safety. And what's more, it gives YouTube creators software tools to grow their channels and increase their ad revenue. Trusted by Fortune 500 brands for almost a decade, Channel Factory is the leading provider of both managed and software media services on YouTube. Get started today. Channel Factory. Unlock YouTube advertising.